real shit right here, man. Yo. Never road slipping, never get caught slipping. A lot of people love to talk, but I'm never tripping. Instead of contemplating and being pissed off at the world, I'm finna throw it down for the world. One time for that nigga in Brooklyn, 2 times for that nigga who took it, 3 times for the nigga who tripping. A lot of people talking shit cause they don't know how I'm living. I ain't from Brooklyn, and don't get it twisted. Dirty South, best believe I ain't never written anything I said, but it just come out where it come out. A lot of motherfuckers never know what I'm about till they test me, and then they cross that line. Had to beat his damn ass, now that boy start crying. Why his mama bleeding, and then she started dying. No one really understand that pain still, I ain't lying. Look at the teardrops, I'm forever crying. Nigga talking shit, bitch, and you forever dying. You ain't never seen a motherfucker like me from the dirty South representing motherfucking woo. But I stay so high, motherfucker wanna talk and then that boy might die. Let me grab that steel, best believe I kill. And they don't understand how I know I feel it is real. Little mama says she hold me down and she was in love. I don't understand, but she was fucking with a thug. Let me come around, I ain't no scrub. Let me show her how I'm living, little mama, what's up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how we do it on this motherfucker.
Let the violin sing, and everyone talking, not understanding why this happened. This bitch never started rapping. Lord, tell me why? Make it happen.
I'm creeping through the noche, sipping on the dose of Modelo. I'm contemplating with the devil, cause that's the only motherfucker really on my level. Got my foot on the pedal, cocking back my heavy metal, headed straight into the ghetto with a trunk full of work and a pocket full of G's, surrounded by enemies that want to see me deceased. But I rise above it all. It's hard to make me fall, so rapiero, pistolero que quiere conmigo, tagaro sin miedo. I got my filero with my fucking cuete. It's right to die cuando ando con mi pinche gente. Eso es mejor si no te metes porque saco mi cuete y se lo disparo. Hey pussy motherfuckers, do you follow? These words will make you swallow. With fingers in the air while I'm chugging on the bottle. Te miro, te agarro por ser cagapalo. Listo pa' get out, we down for whatever. And that's how we fucking do. And that's how we fucking do.
So somebody tell me why this boy play and he had to die. I never understand, but I will forever cry, because you know I feel your pain every day. But I've been stuck up in that dirty game. Why? Lord, can you tell me why? Why? Lord, can you tell me why?
Tongue that I won't bite, this pride that I can't swallow. So you know I'm living life like I might not see tomorrow. Cause this life we live is borrowed and I ain't trying to give it back. So sleeping when I open with my hand upon my gap. Cause I know the devil's lurking, so I'm only taking naps. So now before I go to sleep, I pray I make it in my streets. And if I should die before I wake, I know we'll burn within the lake. So as a lay, I contemplate on get money while pushing weight. Hey, that's how we motherfucking do.
Yeah.
Pull a bullet straight through you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's how we fucking do.
The boy play games, had to put him in that ditch quick. People like to talk, but you know I ain't gon' flip. And I'ma show you how the pit living right now. Why did this boy have to die? He never should've snitched. Now they found the boy in the ditch. Lord, tell me why we gotta live this life? And I'm stuck up in the dirty game. Lord, just tell me why. Lord, why? Lord, why? Hey, there's a little something we just tried out, man. Hope y'all like it, man.
Yeah,
hey, if it sound fucked up, yeah, we didn't sit down and write this down on that. We just freestyled it. It just came out. You feel me?
Yeah, just shit.